Hello and welcome to the 2014 Made in Sheffield Awards. I am on the Advanced Manufacturing Park, a perfect place to start because this is a jewel in the crown of manufacturing and technology in the Sheffield City region. I'm going on the road now to speak to previous winners of the awards to show the impact it's had on their markets both at home and abroad. I've come along to the Gripple plant here in Sheffield. The reason is that the judges for last year's awards said quite simply, this company embraces the spirit and the concept of Made in Sheffield. And here is just one example of what they make. Gripple may have started life as a smart but simple method of joining two bits of wire fencing back in 1986, but it's now a global brand using state-of-the-art manufacturing techniques and flying the flag for Made in Sheffield.
Made in Sheffield, I think, used to mean cutlery, but I think that disappeared many years ago. I think now manufacturing, it's advanced manufacturing, like the Advanced Manufacturing Park, like Forge Masters, like ourselves, like the other steel companies that are still going and making fantastic products. So yes, it's very much an international belief as well, because we're 86% export, and Made in Sheffield counts for something. It's not made in China, and we always say it's not made in China.
And one advantage of covering the Sheffield City region is that on my travels, despite this winter's horrific weather, you get to see beautiful vistas like this one on my way up to the Derbyshire peaks to track down my latest Made in Sheffield case study. The Apprentice of the Year award in the Made in Sheffield Awards celebrates companies and people who join apprenticeship schemes. The winner of that award was Jonathan Todd, who joins me here at Newburgh Engineering. Jonathan, very simply, what did it mean to you to win that award?
I really couldn't believe it. Just amazement, really. Just sort of beating the people that I did from all the fantastic companies that they work for, and to have my name mentioned in that fantastic hall, I couldn't speak. I was ecstatic. They're wanting more people to become engineers, to pick up on the skill facts that we've lost in this country, and to have an apprenticeship where you can come straight out of school, straight into another job where you're earning money, but also learning from the experienced ones behind you. I think it's a fantastic opportunity, and I think all young people should try and get an apprenticeship.
As I said, the awards celebrate exporting from the Sheffield City region. This is Firth Rixon. They won the Exporter of the Year award. The reason, the judges said, was that they were a perfect example of an exporter in the oil, gas and aviation industries. But the really important factor was that they were able to export at a consistently high quality standard.
It felt great to win, and I think the big part of it is the recognition for the team. We have a great staff at Firth Rixon who are at the coalface day in, day out, competing in a global marketplace. And really, I think that is the heart of the award and why we won it. We serve a very much of a global supply chain, and we're winning. Consequently, our exports are growing faster than our domestic sales, and we now sell to over 30 countries. Our products are used on every single continent, and we're just going from strength to strength.
So we take a standard commodity motherboard, we immerse it in a dielectric coolant.
Back to the Advanced Manufacturing Park now, and Isotope, which produces a leading-edge liquid cooling system for computer servers. They've won just about every industry award going, apart from, that is, a Made in Sheffield award. But they say they've got their sights very firmly on grabbing one of those gongs in the future.
Made in Sheffield's on our list of ones we would like. We proudly display the Made in Sheffield badge and brand on all our product. My first biggest prototype is over in the middle of Poland in a big research centre there. Made in Sheffield proudly on it. It's great for us. We've used all our awards and our branding to attract investment. We've just secured a €10 million investment from some big strategic global businesses.
So, as we look to celebrate Made in Sheffield with tonight's awards, where better to go for a final word on the subject than the Cutler's Hall and the Master Cutler himself.
The awards are absolutely worth having because they demonstrate that this isn't just about a historic feeling about Made in Sheffield. It's about today, it's about tomorrow, and I think the Made in Sheffield brand is absolutely timeless. It applies to manufacturing companies, but it also applies in a much broader way across any company that operates in this part of the world. And I think it's a really important brand. I think we should celebrate it, we should nurture it, and the Made in Sheffield Awards are really part of that.
So that's just about it. I'm delighted to say that as I report to you, I'm hearing reports through the media that at last the UK recovery has started. I'm also delighted to report that after decades of emphasis on the financial services in this country, manufacturing, advanced manufacturing and technology in this magnificent Sheffield City region is clearly playing a key role in that recovery. Have a great evening.